Hello, everyone, and a warm welcome back to English Spark US. I'm Emily, and I am so happy you decided to join us for another lesson designed to make learning English easy and fun.
And I'm Paul. Hello to all our listeners out there. It is great to be back in the studio. We hope everyone had a fantastic week. Today, we are going to tackle a subject that often scares students, but it is actually the secret weapon for sounding fluent.
That's right. We aren't just doing boring grammar drills today. We're talking about the phrases that native speakers use in almost every single conversation. If you want to understand movies and real people, you need this.
Today, we are discussing phrasal verbs. Now, don't turn off the video. I know that sounds like a scary grammar term, but Emily, it's actually quite simple, isn't it?
It really is, Paul. A phrasal verb is just a combination. You take a normal action verb, like get or put, and you glue it to a small word, like up, on, or off.
Exactly. It's like a recipe. Ingredient A plus ingredient B creates a totally new flavor. When you combine them, the meaning changes completely from the original verb.
We're going to break these down so they are super easy to remember. No stress, just clear examples. Let's start with look for. We know look involves your eyes, but when you add for, it becomes an investigation.
This is the phrase you use when you have lost something. I use this every morning. I am looking for my glasses. It implies you are actively searching.
Exactly. You wouldn't say, I am searching my keys. That sounds a bit too formal, like a police investigation. In casual conversation, we say, help me look for my phone, or she is looking for a new apartment.
It's the most natural way to describe searching. Now we have look after. This does not mean you are staring at someone's back. It means to take care of them.
Right. To look after means you are responsible for someone's safety or well-being. For example, I need to look after my nephew this weekend. It means I am babysitting him.
It works for pets too. Can you look after my cat while I'm on vacation? It means feeding it and keeping it safe.
It works for pets too. Can you look after my cat while I'm on vacation? It means feeding it and keeping it safe. Think of nurses. They look after patients. It's a very caring and responsible phrase. So look for is to search, but look after is to protect. This one is a bit special because it has 3 words. Look forward to. Paul, this is such a positive phrase.
It is. It means you are excited about something that is going to happen. You are waiting for it with a happy feeling. For instance, I look forward to the summer holidays.
It is very common in professional emails, too. You might write, I look forward to meeting you. It's polite, friendly, and professional.
A common mistake is to say, I wait for the weekend. That sounds a bit boring. If you say, I am looking forward to the weekend, it shows real emotion and enthusiasm. Okay, let's move to the verb put. The most essential one for your daily routine is put on.
This is the action of dressing yourself. It is raining, so put on your raincoat. You are placing the clothes onto your body.
It's distinct from wearing. Wearing is the state of being dressed. Put on is the movement. Wait for me, I'm just putting on my shoes.
You can also use it for accessories or makeup. She is putting on lipstick, or he put on his glasses to read the menu.
When you are finished with an object, you need to put away. This means returning something to its proper place.
This is the phrase every parent says to their children. Please put away your toys. It means don't leave them on the floor, put them in the box.
I do this after grocery shopping. I put away the groceries in the fridge and cupboards. If I leave them on the table, they will go bad.
It basically means to tidy up specific items. After I read a book, I put it away on the shelf. It implies being organized.
I am definitely guilty of this one. The phrase is put off. It means to postpone or delay an action until a later time.
Yes, the formal word is postpone, but we almost always say put off in conversation. I didn't want to do my homework, so I put it off until Sunday night.
Or for work meetings, the boss is sick, so we had to put off the presentation until next week. It means we moved the schedule.
A great motto for English learners is don't put off your practice. Do a little bit every day.
The verb get has dozens of meanings, but the first one usually taught is get up.
Simple but essential. Get up refers to rising from bed. I get up at 6 a.m. every morning.
It's slightly different from wake up, which just means opening your eyes. Get up means your feet touch the floor and you leave the bed.
You can also use it if someone falls down. If a football player falls, the coach yells, "Get up!" It means to move from a lying position to a standing position.
Now, this is a huge confusion point for many students. We use get on and get off for large transportation.
The general rule is if you can stand up and walk inside the vehicle, you get on. So you get on a bus, get on a train, or get on a plane.
Think of it like walking onto a platform or a floor. So when you arrive at your stop, you get off the bus. Excuse me, I need to get off at the next station.
It feels like boarding a large ship. You wouldn't say get in the bus unless you're crawling into the luggage compartment.
Exactly. You crouch down and enter a box. So, hurry up, get in the car. Or, I hopped in a taxi.
And the opposite isn't get off, it is get out. I arrived at the office and got out of the Uber.
It's a small difference. On for big things, in for small things. But using the correct one makes you sound like a native speaker, instantly.
This is a wonderful phrase for social situations. Get along with.
To get along with someone means you have a smooth, friendly relationship. You don't fight. You connect well. I really get along with my mother-in-law.
That's lucky. It's very important in the workplace too. I'm happy because I get along with all my colleagues. It means there is no drama. If you don't like someone, you simply say, "We don't get along." It's a polite way of saying, "I don't like him much."
Now we have to move to a very important verb, turn. We live in a digital world, so we need turn on and turn off.
This refers to starting or stopping the power of a machine. Please turn on the light. It's too dark in here.
And when you leave the room, please turn off the light. It applies to computers, TVs, engines, anything with a switch.
Even though we touch screens now, we still use the phrase turn. We don't usually say start the light or open the light. We say turn on.
Paul, you know something? It is such a difficult topic for students, but talking about these phrasal verbs is much easier than just reading grammar books. That's right. Turning on the light on the subject helps us understand it better. That's surprisingly hard to say. This is for the controlling intensity. If you love a song, you say, "Hey, turn it up."
Turn up means to increase the volume. And if the neighbors are complaining about the noise, you need to turn down the music.
This works for temperature too. "I'm freezing. Can you turn up the heat?" Or, "It's boiling in here. Turn up the air conditioning?"
Actually, Paul, for air conditioning, if you want it colder, you usually say turn the AC up, more power, or the temperature down. It's tricky, but for music, it's always turn up for louder.
This is a secret meaning of turn up. It doesn't mean volume. It means to arrive or to appear.
Yes, we often use it when someone arrives unexpectedly or late. I waited for him for an hour and he finally turned up.
Or if you lose an item like an earring, you might say, "Don't worry, it will turn up somewhere." It means it will be found eventually.
It's a very casual way to talk about arrival. Did everyone turn up to the party? Means, did everyone come?
Sometimes things are just too difficult. When you stop trying, you give up.
For example, this crossword puzzle is impossible. I give up. It means I surrender. I am stopping.
But it's also used for breaking bad habits. My father decided to give up smoking last year. In this context, it's a very positive thing.
And as your teachers, we have to tell you, no matter how hard grammar is, never give up on English.
That's right. Keep fighting.
This is a subtle one. Find is usually for physical objects, but find out is for information.
Exactly. To find out means to discover a fact or the truth. I need to find out what time the movie starts.
You aren't looking for a physical movie reel, you are looking for data. I want to find out the gender of the baby.
Or, she was angry when she found out he lied. It's about gaining knowledge. So, find your keys, object, but find out the truth, information.
Okay, Paul, are you ready? We did look for, search, and look after, care.
We covered put on your clothes and put away your mess. We also said don't put off your work.
We learned to get on the bus, but get in the car. And we hope you get along with your friends.
We learned to turn on the lights, turn up the volume, and that sometimes people turn up late. And finally, never give up.
That is a lot of English power in one lesson. We don't want you to just listen, we want you to use these words. In the comments below, answer this question.
What are you looking forward to this week? Is it a relaxing evening, a special meal, seeing a friend?
Use the phrase, I am looking forward to, and tell us your answer. It helps your brain remember the grammar. Or tell us if there is a bad habit you want to give up. We read every single comment and we love getting to know our English Spark US family.
If you found this lesson helpful, please hit that subscribe button for English Spark US. It really helps our channel grow.
And please give this video a thumbs up, a like, and share it with a friend who is also learning English. We appreciate your support so much.
Thank you for studying with us today. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to make mistakes and don't give up.
We will see you in the next lesson. Until then, take care and keep speaking English. Bye, everyone.
Goodbye.